Depositing a check on Credit Karma is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. To get started, you will need to have a Credit Karma account and the Credit Karma mobile app. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for free on the Credit Karma website. First, open the Credit Karma mobile app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the checking account section of the app. This is where you will find the option to deposit a check. To deposit a check, you will need to take a clear photo of the front and back of the check. Make sure the check is endorsed with your signature and includes the words "for deposit only" on the back. Next, select the account where you want to deposit the check and enter the amount of the check. Review the check details to ensure everything is accurate and then submit the deposit. You will receive an email confirmation once the deposit has been submitted and another email when the deposit has been processed. It is essential to keep the check for a few weeks after depositing it, in case there are any issues with the deposit. It is also important to note that Credit Karma has deposit limits, so be sure to check the app for the most up-to-date information on deposit limits. Additionally, it may take a few days for the funds to become available in your account. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a check on Credit Karma. Remember to always review the check details carefully before submitting the deposit and keep the check for a few weeks after depositing it. This will help ensure a smooth and successful deposit process.